If you're after a magnificent headpiece that will blow your socks off, then you cannot go wrong with this exact replica of the Meghan Markle's wedding tiara. It is exquisitely made with attention to detail using only the finest high quality 5A cubic zirconia. These are really expensive crystals that offer that exceptional sparkle. It is also genuine platinum plated, which is a process that we do to give your tiara that magnificent regal diamond-like sparkle that a lot of the cheap tiaras just do not offer. So be careful who you purchase your headpiece from. And if you'd love this headpiece, check out My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy, and they'll be thrilled to assist you if you have any questions. Sending you so much love. Have a beautiful day.